starts speaking the next when you break the I knew.
So
Anna called him saying, this child is not ours. It's not ours. A man asked meaning. I promised God. So he gives me child. This child, we are taking him the house of I know has to grow up knowing the tradition. I know has to grow up in the thought maybe this woman early in the morning. Bible said that she got even good gifts as a sacrifice and came to said priest. Remember the day you said I'm drunk? The outcome of being my drunkenness is there are people who tell you praying from Kawala is stupid, but show the results of praying from Kawala. Today it rained in the morning. Can I tell Pastor Phil? But in pain I say, so whenever you passed, you came here. This week you see the results. This week I want you to remember you are going to see the results of this gospel. You're going to see what is from here. This week. So he told you see the results of drunkenness. This is what you tell them that this is from Kawala. This is from my salvation. From Marisayo. So she said you said I was drunk. But this is the results of what you said. Now you see, this boy has come to minister to serve you. God and Anna moved and left Samuel there. She left him. Feeling that pain, but because she had promised God she had to do it. Anna went back that she had no child. Everyone said it was stupid. What a child again. And people who spoke to the angels. This time he asked, went to the statement that she will never get back. This time he asked all the books. I know that how many children will get. Now he has one. Now he told them, open up all the uterus. Let her give birth until she's tired. We asked how many children. Say that just open, let it be open. Let it be given 20 until she feels that she's tired. And the statement said that do not put a finger. Just put a note to show that sin continues. I pray that God open for you. muvandye wansi eyo ye saddaaka.
That is the sacrifice.
Katonda yakitunula n'agamba bano ekiki kino
God looked at this and said,
kakati muleke kaana azaale
now let her give birth
paka bweyendula
until she gives up. After a few days,
muganenotambula
the woman started moving.
eyagabye omwana kati ali lubuto olulala
Now she's again in a
tunulaga kyekigenda mu maaso
That's what is going
naye n'amuzaala
on. She gave birth.
newayitawo emyaka ebiri
After 2 years,
ali lubuto olulala
she's pregnant again.
abantu batandika okugamba omukazi oyo yatamira butamizi kuzaala
People started saying it now.
wano yanoonyanga ezadde tane kati okuzaala oba kwamufuukira ki
Now it
awo ne
became
batandika
so easy.
omulaba ng'omwononefu
She started seeing. They started seeing.
kyobola
her as if
ofuna
she's
sente
going.
ne bagamba weeraga
That's
lwaki
why
tebandyogeranga ng'oli mwavu
Why couldn't they speak when you
kakati
poor?
nkusabira
Now I pray for you.
onoonyeza sente zibuze
Looking for money.
bagamba tozifuna
They say
naye
that
ogenda zifuna batandika ogamba bannaye yeeraga
you'll get it and then they'll
olwokuba
say
yafuna sente
because you got money.
kakati abaali bamusekereranga tazaala ne batandika ogamba bannaye omukazi
They started saying that
ye buli kaseera azaala buli
every
kaseera
time
azaala
she's giving birth.
zano nabo bawala bange abamu
I have my son or my daughter.
buli wemala ababanga
Whenever I see them, they are pregnant.
amala osaala wayitawo mwaka gumu muzeyi nakano katuuma erinnya akaliwa
Name which one?
nakatuuma dda awaliwo kano akali munda mu
There is this
lubanna
one inside.
mukama mulungi
God is
so
good.
naawe nkusabira
I pray for you.
ogenda fuuka omuntu eyeeraga
You're going to become a person who shows.
bagenda kuga ebigambo bino bagambe
These
bannaye
are the words they will speak.
okuva we yafuna sente eyeeraga yayonooneka
Saying she got money, he
naye
showed.
ebyo byonna babyogere naye ng'osiina
But let them speak as long as you have it.
leka bagambe nti weeraga naye ng'osiina
Let them speak and say that you show but you have it.
baganyagamba kakazi kazaala nnyo naye nga kazaala
Now say that she overgive birth but yes.
so eyo ye saddaaka
That is the sacrifice.
katonda n'asumulula n'abaana ye
The Lord
ate n'amala n'agamba
then he said,
n'omwana oli eyasooka
when the first child,
enteekateeka
now I have preparation.
nina enteekateeka
I have
omwana oyo
that child
agenda kubeeranga ne bakabaka
will always speak with the kings.
bakabaka banaafukamira wansi ku magulu
The
gaabwe
kings will always
bakabaka
bow.
banaafukamira ku maviivi
They
gaabwe
will always bow before them
n'abateekako amafuta
and
bakaana
the son of Anna
n'asinkana dawudi
met David.
kabaka
The king
n'aka ku maviivi ge
went down on his knees.
n'amuyiwako amafuta
But
abooluganda
brethren,
nabbi samwiri
prophet Samuel is the son of Anna. That was the sacrifice.
ayogera ne bakabaka
He speaks with the kings.
naye kiri nti samwiri ye yakyekula
But it's not that Samuel made
Mama.
preparations, but it was the mother.
eva tunekatonda siyakiteeka maama
God did not prepare for a man, but it was the mom.
maama ye yakyusa enteekateeka ya katonda
The mother changed
maama ye yatula ne
God's
katonda ne bakola
It
enteekateeka
was mom who sat with God and made preparations.
mwe bakazi mwe temwenyuuma
Women never despise yourselves.
mwe bakazi mwe
Women
temwenyuumanga
never underlook yourself.
katonda teyalina nteekateeka ya samwiri
God never had Samuel's preparation.
katonda teyagamba
God never
kana
said
nti omwana oyo mumpe
that bring that child to
wabula
me.
kana yamugamba owaayi
But Anna said,
kwata omwana ono
get this child.
gye bujja oyinza omwetaaga
Times you may need him.
oyinza okwetaaga omuntu ayogera naawe
You may need someone to speak
oyinza
to you.
okwetaaga omuntu gw'oyitamu okwogera n'ensi
You may need someone that you can pass through to speak the word.
wange yuuyo
Now here is my
so
son.
katonda we yatuuka
When God reached her,
anoonyayo omuntu
he was looking for someone
ayinza okwogera ne bakabaka
who can speak to the king.
anoonyayo omuntu
He's looking for a person
ayinza okwogera ne
who
isirayiri
can speak to
naye
Israel.
Najjukira mutabani wa Kaana.
He remembered Anna's son.
N'agamba yekijju.
He said, what am I looking for?
Mutabani wa Kaana jangu.
The son of Anna come.
N'atandika omutuma.
He started sending.
Kati enteekateeka eyo Katonda si yagikola maama.
So it was the mother who did the preparation, not God.
Bawala bange,
My daughters,
ogenda kukolera abaana b'enteekateeka.
you will do preparation for your children.
Walawo
Your daughter
yajjalaba musajja mugagga amukwana.
will see a rich man,
Ajjalaba omusajja mugagga amwanjula.
will see a rich man in the
Ajjalaba
house,
omusajja mugagga amuzimbira.
will see a rich man building for her.
Atamanyi lwaki naye ng'essaala gye
Not
wasaba
knowing
leero.
why, but the prayer you pray today.
Kikino kye nabagamba.
This is what I told you.
Kikino kye nabagamba.
It is what I told you.
Ku maama wa Yakobo.
Unto Jacob's mother.
Katonda ne Isaaka.
God and Isaac.
Enteekateeka yaabwe yali Esawu.
Prayer preparation was of Esau.
Yali Esawu.
It was Esau.
Naye omukazi n'alinnya mu nteekateeka zaabwe.
But the woman went into their
Katonda ne
preparation.
Isaaka nga bateekateeka.
God and Isaac were blessed
Esawu asigaza amafuta.
for Esau to make the anointing.
Omukazi n'alinnya mu mafuta.
The woman came into the anointing.
Omukazi n'alinnya mu nteekateeka.
The woman spoiled the
N'amugamba mutabani
preparation.
wange Yakobo.
Said, my son Jacob,
Jangu otwale omukisa gwe
come and
bateeseteese.
have this blessing. And God watched.
N'atunuulira omukazi. Omukazi n'akumpanya.
The woman had to fidget
Omukazi
around.
n'alimba.
He lied.
Mutabani we n'atwala
The
omukisa.
son took the blessing.
Oli agenda okudda bamugamba waayo.
The other one came back and